Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for all of you who are dealing with small bathrooms but still want them to be fabulous. In this video, we'll be sharing our top 10 tiny bathroom ideas that are small in size but big in style. From clever storage solutions to space-saving fixtures, we've got you covered. Get ready to be inspired as we show you how to maximize every inch of your small bathroom. So whether you're looking for luxury or practicality, this video is for you. Let's dive into the world of tiny bathrooms and make them absolutely fabulous. Number 1. Maximizing vertical space. In a small bathroom, it's essential to utilize every inch of available space. Look up and think vertically. Install shelves or cabinets above the toilet or on empty walls to provide extra storage. You can choose open shelves for a more visually open look, or opt for closed cabinets to keep things hidden. Utilize the often overlooked areas, such as the space above the door or between wall studs, to create niches or shelving units. These vertical storage solutions are perfect for storing towels, toiletries, or decorative items, helping you maximize the functionality of your small bathroom. Number 2. Smart storage solutions. Storage is key in a small bathroom. When space is limited, it's important to get creative with storage options. Consider installing recessed cabinets or pull-out drawers beneath the sink to maximize storage capacity without taking up extra floor space. Utilize the back of the bathroom door by adding an over-the-door organizer with pockets or hooks for towels and accessories. You can also use wall-mounted baskets or shelves to store toiletries and keep them within reach. Think outside the box and look for hidden storage opportunities, such as incorporating a storage ottoman or a ladder shelf that can hold towels and decor items. These smart storage solutions will help you keep your bathroom organized and visually appealing. Number 3. Mirrors and lighting. Mirrors and lighting can work wonders in a small bathroom, making it appear larger and more inviting. Hang a large mirror above the sink to create an illusion of depth and reflect light around the room. Consider installing additional light fixtures, such as wall sconces or recessed lighting, to brighten up the space and eliminate dark corners. Natural light is also crucial, so if possible, maximize the use of natural light by keeping windows uncovered or using sheer curtains. Properly placed mirrors and well-thought-out lighting will not only enhance the functionality of your small bathroom, but also create a sense of openness and brightness. Number 4. Bold and beautiful colors. When it comes to color choices for a small bathroom, don't be afraid to be bold and adventurous. While light and neutral colors can create an illusion of space, bold and vibrant colors can add personality and create a focal point. Consider painting an accent wall in a striking color, or using colorful patterned wallpaper as a feature wall. You can also add pops of color through accessories like towels, shower curtains, or rugs. Balance is key, so if you opt for bold colors, consider using them in moderation and pairing them with neutral tones to maintain visual harmony. Experiment with different color combinations to create a visually appealing and personalized small bathroom. Number 5. Multifunctional furniture. In a small bathroom, every piece of furniture should serve a purpose and contribute to the overall functionality. Look for furniture pieces that offer multiple functions and maximize space usage. For example, choose a vanity with built-in storage or opt for a wall-mounted vanity to free up floor space. Consider a mirrored medicine cabinet that combines storage and a mirror in one unit. You can also incorporate a floating shelf above the toilet that acts as both storage and display space. Don't forget about seating options with hidden storage compartments, such as a bench with a lift-up seat or a storage ottoman. By selecting multifunctional furniture, you'll be able to make the most of your small bathroom without sacrificing style or convenience. Number 6. Optical Illusions. Creating optical illusions can visually expand the space in your small bathroom. One effective technique is to use large format tiles on the floor and walls. Larger tiles with fewer grout lines create a seamless and spacious look. Another trick is to incorporate glass elements like a frameless shower door or a glass partition. The transparency of glass allows light to pass through, making the bathroom feel more open and less confined. Installing a floor-to-ceiling shower curtain or extending curtains beyond window frames can give the impression of higher ceilings. These optical illusions, when combined thoughtfully, can make your small bathroom feel larger and more airy. Number 7. Open shelving. Open shelving is a great way to add storage and display options to your small bathroom while maintaining an open and airy feel. Install floating shelves or niche shelving on empty walls or above the toilet to store and showcase items like towels, decorative accessories, or plants. Open shelves provide easy access to frequently used items and create an opportunity to add personality and style through curated displays. To maintain a clean and organized look, use decorative storage baskets or boxes on the shelves to keep small items out of sight. Open shelving not only maximizes your storage capacity, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your small bathroom. Number 8. Creative wall decor. Your bathroom walls are blank canvases waiting to be adorned with creative decor. Consider using wallpaper with bold patterns, textured finishes, or nature-inspired designs to add visual interest and depth to your small bathroom. Another option is to hang framed artwork or decorative mirrors strategically to create focal points and reflect light. If you have limited wall space, utilize the back of the door or install floating shelves to display small plants, scented candles, or other decorative items. Choose moisture-resistant materials and artwork suitable for bathroom environments to ensure durability. Creative wall decor adds a personal touch and elevates the overall aesthetic of your small bathroom. Number 9. Compact fixtures. Choosing compact fixtures is essential when dealing with a small bathroom. Opt for a corner sink or a wall-mounted vanity to save precious floor space. These options not only create a sense of openness, but also provide storage opportunities underneath. Consider a space-saving toilet with a slim profile or a tankless design, which not only frees up space, but also adds a modern touch to your bathroom. Compact fixtures come in various styles and designs, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your small bathroom while maintaining functionality and style. Number 10. Greenery and natural elements. Bring the beauty of nature into your small bathroom by incorporating greenery and natural elements. Plants not only add a refreshing and calming ambience, but also help improve air quality. Choose low-maintenance plants that thrive in a bathroom environment, such as snake plants, pothos, or ferns. Place them on countertops, shelves, or hanging planters to maximize space usage. Additionally, consider incorporating natural materials like bamboo accessories, wooden accents, or stone finishes. These elements add warmth, texture, and a sense of tranquility to your bathroom. Embracing nature brings a touch of serenity and a spa-like atmosphere to your daily routines. And that's a wrap on our top 10 tiny bathroom ideas that are small and fabulous. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and practical for your own small bathroom projects. Remember, no matter the size of your bathroom, you can always create a space that reflects your personal style and meets your needs. With clever storage solutions, innovative fixtures, and a dash of creativity, even the tiniest bathrooms can become a design masterpiece. We hope these detailed insights have inspired you and provided practical guidance for transforming your small bathroom into a stylish and functional space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it helpful. And of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on home design and renovation. Thank you all for joining us today. We love being your go-to source for design inspiration, and we can't wait to bring you more incredible ideas in our future videos. Until then, stay tuned and keep creating beautiful spaces. See you in the next video.